Hello students, in this video you are going to learn 5 very important long answer type questions for class 6 science exam. So let's start with the first question. The first question is describe the process of water cycle. So the answer is the continuous movement of water from the earth's surface to the atmosphere and back is called the water cycle. As the name suggests, it is a cycle. So water will go to the atmosphere and will come back to the earth's surface. This is the cycle which keeps on repeating. So the first process in the cycle is evaporation. Solar heat turns water from oceans and lakes into water vapor. And this is called evaporation. The second one is transpiration, which is the evaporation of liquid or water from plants. So plants release excess water into the air as vapor through their leaves. This is called transpiration. This also contributes to water cycle. The next one is condensation. As the vapor rises in the atmosphere, it cools down and turns into tiny vapor droplets forming clouds. So water when goes up as vapor form clouds due to the cooling of the atmosphere. Next, the process of precipitation. When clouds become heavy, the water falls back into the earth as rain, snow or hail. This is precipitation. Next one is collection. The water flows back into the rivers and oceans, starting the cycle again. So the water goes up in the atmosphere and then comes back again as water and collects in ocean and rivers. After this description, you can draw the picture of water cycle where you can draw mountains, ocean, rivers and show the clouds up in the atmosphere and the rain, and you can mark different processes like evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and collection or sublimation of water. So this completes the long answer type question, first long answer type question on water cycle. The second question is explain the structure of a leaf with its functions. So here too you are going to write the description of the leaf with function of each parts and will draw the diagram of the leaf with different parts labeled. So answer is a leaf is a kitchen of the plant. Its main parts are petiole. The petiole is the stalk that attaches the leaf to the stem. Here we see in the diagram, this is the petiole. This attaches the leaf to the stem. Next one is lamina. The broad green flat part of the leaf is lamina. So this is the lamina of the leaf. This broad part is called the lamina of the leaf. Next one is midrib and veins. So the central line and it branches, this is the central line and it branches that transport water and food are called midrib. This central line is called midrib and these are the veins. These small parts, these are the veins of the leaf. Now we have described the different parts of the leaf. Let's write the function of the processes which are done in the leaf. So first one is photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is done on the leaf. Preparation of food for the plant is done in the leaf, which is by using sunlight and carbon dioxide. The second process is transpiration, where the excess water from the plant is released as water vapor through the process of transpiration. Next one is respiration. This is the exchanging of gases through tiny pores in the leaf called stomata. So there are tiny pores on the leaf. These are called stomata. So here you can see the diagram of the leaf, which is here it is the axil. This is the stem. The petiole attaches the leaf to the stem. This is also called leaf base. Are the different parts of the leaf shown in the picture. Let's move to the third question. The third question is how can you show that a magnet has two poles? So the first part here you are going to write is the observation. So the observation is if you dip a bar magnet into iron fillings, most of the fillings stick to the two ends of the magnet, very few stick to the middle. This shows that there are strong lines of magnetism or strong magnetic points on the two sides of the magnet. These are called poles of the magnet. Here, through observation, we do the inference which shows that the magnetic strength is maximum at the ends. These ends are called poles, North Pole and South Pole. Now, directive property. If you suspend a bar magnet freely using a thread, it will come to rest in the north-south direction. It will always come to rest in north-south direction. And when you have two magnets, two opposite poles of different magnets attract each other and two like poles repel each other. Here we can see, you can make a diagram of the magnet like so and can show it in the picture like this. This completes your question number 3. Let's go to next question, which is question 4. Question 4 is describe the components of a simple electric circuit. Here you are going to draw a simple electric circuit and will show and write the description of each of the components in the circuit. So a simple electric circuit consists of electric cell from where you are going to get the source of electricity. So the electric cell is the source of electricity, and it has a positive and a negative terminal as shown here in the picture. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. You can even show the picture like this in a simple diagram like this. This is the battery, this is the negative pole, and this is the positive pole. Okay, next we have an electric bulb in a circuit. So this is the electric bulb, the device that glows when electricity passes through the filament. Electric bulb. Next one is connecting wires. These are all the connecting wires. Metal wires, usually copper, that provides a path for the network, that provides a path for the current. The electricity, for the flow of current, you need some material and conductor, which is the copper wires. And the last component in the electric circuit is the switch, the device used to make or break the circuit. When the switch is on, the circuit is closed and the bulb glows and electric current passes through it. And when the switch is off, the electric current cannot pass through the circuit and the bulb does not glow. So this is how you are going to describe the simple electric circuit and is going to make the picture for that. Next question is question 5, which is explain the different types of joints in the human body. The answer is joints allow our body to move in different ways. So different types of joints in the body are, first one is ball and socket joint. This allow movement in all direction, and this ball and socket joint is in our shoulders and hip. Next one is hinge joint. This allows back and forth movement like a door hinge. This joint is in our elbows and knees. Next one is pivotal joint. This allows rotation, and this is in our neck where it joins the head. This is the pivotal joint. And the last joint is fixed joints, and they do not allow any movement. And the example of the fixed joint is the bones in the upper jaw. The upper jaw does not move, only the lower jaw can move. So this is the fixed joint which does not move. This is in our upper jaw. And you can draw the diagram or the picture of any of the joints, So in this video, there is a picture of ball and socket joint, where the upper part which covers the ball is the socket and the lower part is the ball. So this is the ball and socket joint which is in our shoulders. So this completes our question 5 of long answer type. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.